Jell-O. Whether you love it or hate it, you're about to watch me make it for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Hi, my name is Nicholas, Marist College student and Jell-O extraordinaire. So you're going to need a couple of things for your Jell-O. You're going to need a bowl, you're going to need your Jell-O mix, you're going to need boiling water, approximately 1 cup, and 1 cup of cold water. This is how we're going to start. We're going to take our Jell-O mix, we're going to pour it into the bowl, like such. We're going to grab one of our forks because we're going to need it to whisk. Then we're going to add our boiling water, like so. Now, this is a very critical part. You want to get all of this Jell-O mix mixed in with the hot water, and you want to make sure it bubbles up like this because that's when you know it's really good. And then you can listen to this great noise of it scraping against the bowl. How great is that? So once we do this for approximately 2 minutes, we're going to want to add our cold water, which I'm going to get from the fridge right now. Here's a key secret. You want to pour it slowly while mixing simultaneously. This really brings out the cherry flavor. Just like that. Continue to mix, making sure all the powder is dissolved. Very nice. Now this is where you can get really creative. You can either put in a rectangle plastic Tupperware or a circle plastic Tupperware. Me, personally, I'm more of a circle guy, so I think we'll do that. Just pour your mix in, like so. Now you're gonna want to bring it to a fridge. You wanna let it cool for about 4 hours. Wow, look at that. Fresh Jell-O. Now we're time to plate it, and this is where you can really show your artistic flair. You know, personally me, I like to use some cilantro, spice things up a little bit, you know, really give it that nice, authentic Jell-O feel. So you put, let's do something like that. Get your Jell-O. Like so. You want to make sure it's towards the center of the plate. And then, you know, why not? Throw some cilantro on top. You have some beautiful looking Jell-O. And you know, Jell-O has always been a big part of my family, and I'm just happy I could share it with you guys, and I really hope you enjoy it, and I hope you enjoy this delicious Jell-O. Hold on, before you go, let's try some. Great. All right, until next time, I'm Nick Mayo.